break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. To the oldies, thanks for this for the subscription. So today we are doing a house tour. New update since 2 years ago. 2 years ago. Okay. It may change, of course. You might some differences. You'll see the differences. Yeah. What else? Yeah, in Evo. That's it. That's Mom. Hi guys, as you enter this house, this is the door. Okay, this is the door. These curtains are thrifted from Mtumba. Behind this screen.
Yeah, they're thrifted.
Yeah, they're
Thrifted.
Yeah. So I was talking for what your exposure. There's a lot of light coming from outside. And gonna home. So besides, after entering the door, there's this whatever shape mirror it is. There's this, it's 6 feet mirror. Yeah, we got it at 2700, 2800. So 2800. Yeah, from our fully Rongai. Down. Besides the mirror, is this artificial flower. No need for watering. You go chonjo. We got it at 1200 bob. 1200 bob. Around Tuskis area in Ongata Rongai. Besides the artificial plant, there's this TV stand. It's in the kitambo sana, in zamani, like 5 years ago. Yeah, the amount we got is kumbuka. On top of the TV stand, there's this gaming pad, which is a games kwa TV. It's not PS yet. Lakini niliambiwa siku ya birthday ndio okay. This one is a soundbar from Vitron. We got it at 5K. Luthuli, downtown. Yeah, on top of the soundbar, so there's a 43-inch TV from Higher. From Higher. Had to mention. That's the entertainment area. When you come from the door, you know, entertainment area. From a chill area. So besides, after the TV, there's the office area. Hii wale watu kufanya kazi.
Sharp boys.
Sharp girls and boys. In area sharp girls and boys. We have a humidifier tulipata tulinunua panda mat. This humidifier at some I think 200 or 300 bob. The extension ina connect all those, the extension on top, laptop, yeah, sharp girls and boys. Senior sharp girl. Mouse. So basically, you know, office area, nothing important, nothing.
Where did you get the chair?
The chair. Oh, tulipata hapa kunaitwa aje hapa. Unajua Rongai kuna mashimo mingi sana. We got it at karibu na think twice Ongata Rongai, not the think twice ya Masai Lodge. Think twice. Yeah.
Chap.
Fatima. Chap. Yeah, chap. Yeah.
It's okay.
Table is online huko kunaitwa aje. Gg.com. So from that's uni area yote na TV. Yeah, ni entertainment plus the office area. Kando ya ofisi kuna this dispenser and the phone holder ya kufanya content, of which we don't normally do content over here. Tumekuwa lazy humans. What again? Show them the chair. So in front of the TV, mbele ya televisheni na naongea haraka ndo shangaini homa, sitaki msikie homa. In front of the television kuna this ni 3-seater L-shaped seat. We got it at 25K from our local fundi. Anafanya kazi fiti hii, unaweza house nayo, as you can see. Yeah. Very quality by the way. Anafanya kazi safi. Good work. Kazi nzuri. What else from the chair? Behind the chair kuna shoe area hapo, upande wa dressing room, wardrobe. there's a hapo ndo area ya kuvaa viatu. Kitoka kwa manguo hapa on your left, on your right kuna shoes. Unarushanga pia viatu kwa miguu. Our thingy, this called heater, kettle, kuchemsha maji. Yeah, kutoka kumanyoya. On top of them bags and all those, nothing important also. What else? From the shoe rack, some clothes over there. Alafu kuna the window now. This side is the window. Yeah. What else? Come this side. Sasa tuende sehemu ya bedroom. Kuja tu. Camera woman. Dogo. We have this pillow. So in your room, what is this called?
Sad face ama? I don't know. Mimi sim emoji gali.
Sad. Ni room emoji, we got it at somewhere in Rongai. Sijui inaitwa aje place. Nikumbuka I'll put it on the comment section or that description bar. Welcome to the magic area. Hapa ndio usingizi yote ya siku mzima after sharp boys and girls after the cabbage. Hapa ndio sasa we sleep. This is the sleeping area. Yeah. Show them the bed. It's a 5x6 bed. It's type of wood. Me says I want to explain all types of woods. I don't know the type of wood, but it's some wood. It's heavy. Like band some pillows over there. Kando ya kitanda there's this thing. Nightstand thing. Cabinet here. Tumeweka hapo some vitabus. Sisi ni wazomi. Aya, after sleeping area, it's where we tibu the stomachs. This is where we cook. Enter the kitchen. You may enter. Karibuni. As you enter the kitchen, the first thing you will meet is this area of cooking. It's a cooker. It's from Solstar cooker. The amount probably 13-15k. Yo, nothing important. Hapa ndo tunapika. Yeah, this is on the what else? These are vyombos. Singine sana vyombo ni necessary things. Kando ya cooker. Is this fridge? You know how many liters?
190. 190.
190 liters. Yeah, 190 liters from Ramtons. On top of the fridge, another hair microwave brand from Hire. Yeah, inafanya kazi nzuri. We decided to go with the knobs one. The knob ones, the old school ones. Usually scare reviews funny with the touch ones. To buttons, so we decided to go with these ones. So on top of here, this microwave. Put this thing ya kupika boiled eggs. Some people in this house wanapenda these boiled eggs. Walifagia zote. Try restock another time. Kando ya egg poacher, there's our toaster. Ya watu wa mkate, loafers. That is from which company? Amco company. These are in shelf.
Storage area.
Yeah. You see? Yeah. Storage area. This is storage area. In the water reservoir. The water area reservoir. So we get our waters. Waters. What else? Okay. We get our water from. I think. I don't think. Here the kitchen area. One of the kitchen area. Such to appear overview of the house from this video. After checking the kitchen area. Anything you wanted to be changed, you can comment down there. You'll see the comment. We'll reply them. Other things. You can miss out anything. I guess that's it. I watched the overview video. You wanted the arrangement of it. Thank you for watching. Najua nimeenda haraka but niko na homa. Sitaki kuanza kushema nianze homa. Thank you for watching. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like, share, tell a friend. Yole jirani kuna this channel. Road to 2.5k. I think a few more, like 60.
If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know